Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you guys that have a BMW with a 6-cylinder engine, and I'm talking about engine N51, N52, N53, N54 or N55 engine guys. And if you're trying to find where your intake camshaft position sensor is located, stay with us guys. We'll show you that, and we'll show you guys what needs to be done to remove and replace it. That same engine, it can be found guys in BMW 1 Series. It can be found in BMWs guys 3 Series, 5 Series, 6, 7 Series, X1, X3 and X5. It's one of the most popular engines that BMW built, and I think they built more than 4-5 million engines of that N51 all the way to N55 engine guys. Before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make guys at least 200 free repair videos specifically on BMWs, even more, and all the parts and tools that we use. Let's say you need to buy a new sensor, we'll put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Another thing guys, if you have questions with anything, leave a comment below. Why we do all that, why we put so much work in those videos? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing that free information. Now let me show you what we have right here. This is the engine on a 3 Series, but it can be found in all these different BMWs guys. Practically you do not need to remove your radiator support, radiators or anything like that to replace the intake camshaft position sensor, but with everything removed we can show you way better and you can visualize everything. Otherwise it's impossible if I have that much room to show you that even the sensor is located right here, which is practically impossible guys. But if you look this way, check it out, you have 2 camshaft position sensors. One is on the exhaust side, one is on the intake side. The one we're talking about is the intake side today, and this is the wire for the sensor. When you disconnect it, always grab for the connector itself, pry that tooth open, okay, right here, just pry it out a little bit. If you go too much you can break it and pull it out. If you guys want to see how to test camshaft position sensor, we'll have the video guys on the channel, and we'll actually explain to you guys, okay, about the test procedure, how to do it, and how to know for sure if your camshaft position sensor is good. So please check it out. I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. The tool that we need is reverse torque socket. I will put that link as well. Go ahead guys and remove that bolt. Okay, the moment you get that bolt loose, it goes by hand pretty easy guys. Now be very careful not to drop that little bolt, because if you drop it, it will be really hard guys, okay, to find it if you have your car put together. Now expect the moment you remove the camshaft position sensor, you may leak some oil out, and that's normal because you have some oil in the cylinder head, so it will be a little bit stuck. Do not turn, just pull down. You can wiggle it a little bit. It will be a little bit stuck due to the fact that you have a no ring, okay, that prevents oil from coming out, and you can see how dirty that sensor is guys. It's terrible. So we'll have a video guys how to clean, okay, the inside of the engine with an oil additive guys, and what we use. Video is coming very soon on the channel guys, so hopefully it will be very helpful. So this is guys the sensor. If you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Putting it together is practically in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.